In primary care, most practices are now computerized with GPs using clinical software to record patient consultations and treatments along with the storage of some electronic documents. However, an area that is still very paper-based are the so-called Lloyd George (eLG) envelopes, which contain patient notes written by every GP in the country prior to computerization. They're a huge burden on almost all UK practices. These records were first introduced many decades ago and named after David Lloyd George, the Liberal politician who launched a national insurance system back in 1911, which was as an early element of the welfare state. Practices are required by law to retain Lloyd George envelopes as they follow patients around the NHS when they change practices, providing continuity of patient care and treatment. As all GPs and practice staff know, medical information in Lloyd George envelopes isn't used in day-to-day clinical consultations. It's reference material required when GPs write letters to solicitors, employers, insurance companies, or when they have to provide a historical view on a patient to colleagues. The wallets contain all medical paperwork associated with treatment, letters, notes, test results like blood, pathology and radiology, ECGs and so on. Lloyd George envelopes are commonly stored in huge racks in reception areas, storage rooms, or off-site in third-party run document management facilities. A typical practice with 11,000 patients is likely to have around 13,000 wallets, given some patients will have more than one. And, on average, each wallet will contain around 80 pages. This means around 1,040,000 sheets or 2,080,000 sides of paper per practice at least. Given they are not used in day-to-day clinical consultations, the obvious question is, why go through the cost and effort of digitizing Lloyd George records? The answer is practice efficiency, space realization, and delivery of the government's strategic goal of a paperless NHS. Equally, there is a cost of actually doing nothing with the paper held locally in terms of paying rent on space which is poorly utilized and the staff time to look after these practice-based medical records libraries. The CCube Solutions Electronic Lloyd George Solution (eLG) offers a secure and hosted platform underpinned by the award-winning CCube Electronic Document Records Management Solution (EDRMS) in use across several NHS trusts and health boards in secondary care store. It stores, manages, and delivers digital Lloyd George records to practitioners, using an approved private cloud and without installing any software within the practice. It delivers significant improvements in time and cost efficiencies for GPs and staff, increased security of patient records, and ultimately, improvement in patient care. Digitizing Lloyd George records, therefore, present GPs, practice managers and the wider NHS a raft of benefits. For Lloyd George records, the essential requirements of records management can be delivered within an integrated electronic document and records management (EDRM) system, the primary functionality of which is the capturing and managing of documents along with declaration, retention, destruction and full auditing. This includes functionality required to sustain electronic records over time as a valued organizational asset, in a manner that retains their reliability and integrity for as long as they are required, preserving their value as a corporate record. A secure and hosted eLG platform provided by CCube Solutions perfectly addresses today's drive for efficiency, cost reduction and improved service in the NHS, all the things the government and Department of Health are pushing. It is secure, easy to use, no IT to set up at the practice, cost-effective and crucially an operational cost rather than a capital one, which makes budgeting straightforward.